because just before a holiday, you'll see like a random truck. I'm wondering who gave this person the license.
Where did they get these fireworks?
Yeah, and where did this random guy come from? Is this his job?
Yeah.
Or like, does he just like on the side when it's fireworks day? I'm gonna be
He's like,
giving
you
out
know what?
fireworks.
Instead of hot dogs, I gotta sell fireworks.
Well, because if the majority of their business is coming from fireworks and they only can sell them at a certain time of year, right? Maybe there's going to be more of a desire for them to sell it to someone that shouldn't be buying them because of the fact that they need the extra income.
They need the money. They're good. They're salesmen.
Yeah.
They want to get rid of it.
Yeah.
Whatever it is here, take it.
Yeah.